Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Learn and Explore. In this video, I'll be talking in English as some of you guys have asked me to do so I said, why not? Let's go for it. So today is a Saturday and I came to the office. I had some stuff to do. I usually don't go to the office that much. Since last year, I've only visited the office twice. So I usually go to my client's office and I work from there. And today I came to the office to work on some stuff and I just finished. I stayed there for like 3-4 hours and I just finished, and I'm going to the car wash to wash my car and then go back home. So let's go. So yeah, let's go to the car wash right now and clean the car because it's so dirty, man. It's so bad. I need to clean it. Just look at the windows. I don't think you can see it, but to me it's very dirty. So I need to go to the car wash and get it cleaned, get it washed, whatever you want. Alrighty. So let's go. And after that, after I wash the car, I will be going back home and most probably I will cook something. I usually don't cook, but since it's a weekend, I will try to cook something, and because it's much better than going to the restaurants. But since the other days I cannot cook because I work from let's say 9 until 6 or 7, so I cannot cook myself, so I just go to the restaurants and stuff. But today, since it's a weekend, I will try to cook something and see how it goes. So we're now getting close to the car wash. Maybe we'll get there in like 3-4 minutes, and then after that maybe it'll take me like 30 minutes to wash it. It'll take them, not me, because I'm not gonna wash it. So it'll take them like 30 minutes to wash everything, to wash the exterior, and they will clean the interior as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So maybe I will try to make these kind of videos more, because it will be useful for you guys if you try to listen to English only, not translation and stuff. If you only listen to English, it will be very useful for you. I have a lot of videos. I've got like 250 videos, and in most of them, or in all of them, I speak both in Kurdish and English. But this one, I decided to make this video and only talk in English and see how it goes. So if you guys like these kind of videos, let me know in the comments below, and I will try to make these kind of videos. So I went to a car wash and there were like 4 other cars before me, so I decided to go to another one. So I went to 2 other car washes, and one of them there were a lot of cars, and I didn't even ask them. And the other one, I went there and there were like 2 cars, and the guy told me your car will take like 40 minutes and you have to wait until we finish these other 2 cars. So I said, let's get back home. So yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you guys next time.